Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open WhatsApp on your Android phone and go to Settings to link a device. Tap Link a device from the Settings menu and authenticate with your phone unlock method. Keep your phone unlocked and on Wi-Fi or mobile data with stable signal while scanning. Make sure the desktop or web version of WhatsApp shows a QR code prior to scanning. Confirm your phone battery is charged above 10% to avoid shutdown during linking. Close other camera apps to prevent scanning conflicts and reduce errors. Open Web, WhatsApp, Com or the WhatsApp desktop app to display the QR code. Tap Link a device on your phone and then grant camera permission if prompted. Point your phone camera at the desktop QR code until it scans automatically and registers. Keep the code centered and within 3 to 4 inches of the camera for best focus. Wait for the on-screen confirmation that your device is linked and messages are syncing. Do not close the phone app until synchronization completes to avoid partial transfers. If scanning fails, refresh the desktop QR code and retry within 30 seconds. Restart your phone camera app and check WhatsApp camera permission in settings before another attempt. Revoke linked devices from settings if you lose access or see unknown devices listed. Use two-step verification inside WhatsApp for added account protection and set a PIN you remember. Log out of unused linked devices from the Linked Devices screen to prevent unauthorized access. Regularly update the WhatsApp app to the latest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.